Hey guys, thanks for checking out Rocky Mountain Backcountry again today. Woo! This is the end of the ride and I'm on my way home, but you guys need to stick with me for this video. Did about 65, 70 miles yesterday and got about that many more to get home. So anyway, we did a little test with the Lion Energy Safari LT and had it plugged into the heat blanket all night. So I'm gonna let you guys know how that worked out. And also I'm gonna show you a little bit about my whole camping setup. So anyway, thanks for checking out Rocky Mountain Backcountry, you guys. Stay tuned. You're not gonna wanna miss this show. We had a great ride, great scenery, and it's absolutely beautiful. So like if you do, subscribe if you haven't, and come along, let's go for a ride. trees now for about a half a mile. And it's just like this. How cool. Out here in the middle of nowhere, people leaving their garbage. This might be the end of it. Kind of looks like a turnaround spot. Yep, I believe so. Nowhere to go that way. All right, story time really quick. Way over there, there's a road. It comes down to the end of this ridge right here, and then right down out, right about there. We got called out on a search and rescue call. Guy was down in there and broke his ankle. And we had to hike down in, oh, I think it's probably right in there, right to the end of my finger right there's where he broke it. He was up here hunting elk. Now, who would want to haul an elk out of here? It was fun, I guess, for him, but I sure wouldn't want to do it. Well, it has been an awesome adventure, but the sun's getting low in the sky, and I've got to find a place to camp. I'm just having too much fun exploring. So I'm not going to turn this on again until we're at a campsite that I'm going to stay at. So I'll be back. We made it. I've camped here before with the camp trailer and the family, and I was kind of surprised there's nobody in here, but anyway, woo! We made it. We're gonna get this place set up. Well, you guys, here we are, Rocky Mountain Backcountry. Hey, thanks for checking out this video today. I'm gonna show you guys what I got with my UTV overlanding kit, right? Or what I pack or whatever it is. But first of all, right back there, I got some food cooking for supper. So anyway, I'm gonna get that cooking, and then I'll show you guys what's up. All right, woo! Couple of brats are cooking for supper. I got some tortilla shells to wrap them in, some peppers to put with them, and a little bit of mustard. So check that out. I just swooped up that Coleman table, Walmart. I think it was like 35 bucks. I needed something. Fits on there nice. Packed right on top of the solar panel. All right, so in here in the tent, we got the sleeping bag laid out. This box has all my clothes in it, had my pillows in it, and you can see the Lion Energy Safari LT charging up the GoPro batteries right there, because this one is on about 5%, and if I get through this video, that'll be great. I've also got my heated blanket there in case I get too cold. I don't think it's going to be too bad, but man, this place is awesome. Well, you guys, it is bedtime. I am done. I've taken a sleeping pill, had a long ride today, and I got the cell phone light on me right now. I've got the heated blanket plugged in, tucked down into my sleeping bag. It is just about freezing outside. It's pretty cold. So what happens every time this heating blanket turns on, it draws the watts up to about 200 watts, but it's only for a few seconds. So anyway, I'm gonna see how this thing does overnight, and we'll check you guys in the morning. I'm out. Well, good morning, my friends. Oh, look at this. Sun's coming up, the leaves are yellow. What a beautiful early October day. So I got some breakfast cooking over here, and we're gonna get something to eat, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna break this down for you guys and show you what I got in my grub box there, and hopefully it'll help you guys out. So hang out with me for a few more minutes this morning. Rocky Mountain Backcountry. All right, you guys, check this out. All of this fits inside of this little Husky container and works great for sitting up on the roof rack. So what I've got here is, you can see a cooker, no name brands here. I'm not advertising for anybody, and I'm not saying one's better than the other, but this is what I got. So my butane cooker, extra can of gas. You can see I've got some utensils down here. I've got 2 tubs for washing dishes, a dish drying towel. My dish washing rag is over there drying out right now because I just finished doing the dishes. Cast iron griddle, like right down there if you enjoy cooking on cast iron. I sure do. But I got some cooking spray, I got some dish soap. Everybody's got to have the salt and pepper, and obviously the TP's got to be in there too. Let's see here. We have some hard plates that sit in there. This is the little unit that I picked up a little while ago. Usually what I'll do is I'll pre-make something and set it in there. It's got rubber seals on it. Works out really good. Got paper plates. This is actually a little container that I just had breakfast in. You can see there, maybe you can see there, butter, an egg, and some bacon. That was breakfast this morning. So, different utensils. I usually pack some kind of, something to make pancakes with. So I like to have some whisks. I got a spoon for stirring. I've got some tongs there and some kitchen scissors. And so, yeah, that's what I take with me when I go out in the backcountry. There's usually enough space left over inside of the Husky box there that I can throw some food on top of that. And if I need to, I have a small cooler that I can throw in, and we're good to go. All right, you guys, seriously, look how easy this packs up. Paper towels, extra fuel go right down there. Stove fits right there. The top flips over. And I got just about everything inside my little wash bins. And the rest of this stuff just kind of sits right nice and tightly on the top. Of course, this is extra garbage bags. I didn't show you that. Sits down there. I got my extra food. Got my dishes. And we're good. Just like that. Plenty of extra room for some extra food and whatever else, but anyway, it is what it is. All right, you guys, that's just kind of a quick and dirty on the Rocky Mountain Backcountry kitchen. So anyway, hey, you guys, thanks for checking out Rocky Mountain Backcountry. Like if you do, subscribe if you haven't, and come along with me for another adventure. I had my blanket plugged into this last night 2 or 3 times, and then from about 4 o'clock till 8 o'clock, the battery was only about 2/3 when I started last night. I was hoping to get out in time to be able to plug it in and have some solar charge on it, but I didn't. It charged up my GoPro batteries. It kept me warm all night, and it ran out of battery about 8 o'clock this morning. But anyway, it was all good. Lion Energy Safari LT. Check the link down below for 15% off. This is not a paid product placement or endorsement. I spent my own money for this unit, and it was money well spent. Highly recommend it. So anyway, so that's Rocky Mountain Backcountry review. of the Lion Energy Safari LT. You guys need to go out and pick one up. You're gonna love it.